Hello friends, welcome back to the another video lecture of OOP1 subject. In today's video lecture, we are going to discuss about final keyword. Till now we have discussed about the finally method. Now we will discuss about the final keyword. The final keyword in Java used to restrict the user. The Java final keyword can be used in many constructs. Final it can be a variable, it can be a method, and it can be a class. We will discuss in which case what functionality will give final keyword. The final keyword can be applied with the variables. A final variable that have no value it called blank final variable. Any variable that is only declared, not initialized, that will be known as a blank variable. If we have declared it final, then it will be known as a blank final variable. It can be initialized in the constructor only. Our blank final variable can be initialized in the constructor only. The blank final variable can be static also, which will be initialized in the static block only. Okay, so we will learn this thing by these examples. First of all, we will discuss about the final variable. If we declare the variable as a final, so we cannot change the value of that variable, means it will be a constant. For example, here we have class bike9. In it, our speed limit is a variable, integer speed limit, but we have declared as a final. So this will be a constant, means we cannot change this value of speed limit variable if we have declared it is a final. Here in this example you can say, in main method we have created an object obj, and with that obj we are calling the run method. In run method we are setting the value of speed limit as 400. But if we have declared our speed limit variable as a final and its value is 19, so this speed limit is equal to 40, that cannot be applied to the variable, means that is final and that is constant variable. Second one is final method. What will happen if we declare the method as a final? If we make any method as a final, then we cannot override it, means if we have inheritance, final class, subclass and superclass, so we cannot override that method if it is a final. For example, here we have class bike, in it we have run method, and that run method we have declared as a final. Here our Honda class is extending the bike class. In bike class again we have put a run method, so that run method will override the first run method of superclass. So if we have declared this superclass run method as a final, then we cannot override it. So that is the use of final method. Final method cannot be override. Third thing is final class. What happens if we declared any class as a final? If we make any class as a final, then we cannot extend it, we cannot inherit it. Okay, if our first class bike is a final and our second class Honda 1 extends bike, means it cannot extend this final class, that will be restriction because of this final keyword. If we have declared any class as a final, then any other class cannot extend it, cannot inherit it. So this is the use of final keyword with the class. Now some questions are there for the final keyword. First question is that, is final method inherited? So answer is yes, final method can be inherited, but we cannot override it. For example, in our class bike there is a final void run method, and in our second class Honda 2 it is extending the bike class. So directly this run method can be applied here. If we run our run method, honda2.run, then run method will be called. It will be inherited, but we cannot define another run method into the honda2 class. Means it cannot override, but it can be inherited. Next question is, what is the blank or uninitialized final variable? So we have already discussed its answer. A final variable that is not initialized at the time of declaration is known as blank final variable. If we want to create a final that is initialized at the time of creation object and once initialized may not be changed, final variable. It is useful, for example, PAN card number of an employee. It can be initialized only in constructor. If we check that if we have blank or uninitialized final variable, means if we have a final variable speed limit and we have not initialized it, so we can initialize it but only once and into a constructor only. So here this is blank final variable, there is no value. We can initialize value 70 to it but only into constructor. So here you can say bike10 is class, bike10 is constructor. So we have initialized the value only once and into constructor. So this can be happen but some restriction. Next is static blank final variable. A static final variable that is not initialized at the time of declaration is known as static blank final variable. It can be initialized only static block. Here our static final integer data is there, but if we want to initialize this data, then it can be possible via static block only. If our final integer data is there, then we have to initialize into constructor only. If our final variable is also static, then we have to initialize into static block only. Next is, what is final parameter? If we declare any parameter as a final, we cannot change the value of it. For example, here in our bike11 class, our method is cube. In it we are passing a parameter n and we have declared that parameter is a final. So from this b.cube5 we have passed the value 5 and it will be the value of variable n, parameter n. So if we want to do some addition into the n, means n is equal to n plus 2, so we can't change because n is a final, so n cannot be n plus 2. So that is the restriction for the final parameter. Next one is, can we declare a constructor final as the like method? So answer is no, because constructor is never inherited. So that is the all the questions related to final keyword, and there is the main three use of final keyword. Final keyword is used as a final variable, final method and final class. If we declare any variable as a final, so we cannot change it. If we declare as a method as a final, then we cannot override it. And if we declared a final class, then we cannot inherit it. So this is it for today's video lecture. If you like, then subscribe my channel and also share it with your friend. Thank you, friends.